We need to know if a game object is grounded in order to switch to a jumping state. Let's create a new script to handle that. We will be using raycasting to check if a game object is grounded or not. Create a few new variables to define the ground layer we want to raycast to, how far the raycast distance should be, and if it's grounded or not. Add a update function and within it call the physics2d raycast method like so. To check if we're grounded or not, we just need to raycast downwards and check if it detected a game object with the same layer that we're raycasting to. Let's also add a onDraw Gizmo function so we can easily see how far the raycast distance should be.